Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're in the textile printing business, such as sportswear, custom flags, or even home decor, you've probably heard about dye-sublimation. Today we're breaking down two absolute beasts from Mutoh. First up, we have the Mutoh XpertJet 1341 WR Pro. This is a 54-inch printer that is built for one thing, getting the job done right every single time. What makes it special? It uses Mutoh's AccuFine 1600 print head. It places ink perfectly, so you don't get those ugly lines or banding in your prints. It uses water-based dye-sub inks that dry fast and work great even on lightweight paper. You can run it about 11 to 29 square meters per hour. It's a 4-color setup: cyan, magenta, yellow, and black. So if you have a small shop or just starting with textile decor, t-shirts, or polyester fabrics, this is your machine. Now, if you need to print a ton of stuff quickly, meet the big brother, the Mutoh XpertJet 1682 SRDS. This is not just an upgrade, it's a whole different level. This is a 64-inch printer. If you're looking for production speed, this is the printer that you're looking for. Here is the magic. Inside, it has two AccuFine HD print heads. That means it prints incredibly fast. We are talking typical production speeds of 86 square meters per hour. That's 3 times faster than the 1341. But here is the coolest part, the ink setup. You can run this machine in 2x4 or up to 8 colors. Why 8 colors? Because you can add neon inks. Imagine printing sportswear with neon yellow or neon pink that really pops out. If you're doing fast fashion, custom apparel, or soft signage, where color is really important, this is your machine. It also has a heavy-duty roller system for big 40 kilograms or even 100 kilograms rolls of paper, so you can print overnight without stopping. Both of these machines are tough, and they both use environmentally friendly ink. It just depends on your speed and your need for that neon glow. Come and visit us today to see both of these machines in live action for free samples and a live demo.
Subscribe to get latest updates about garment decorations and textile printing solutions. You can message us on WhatsApp or visit TexGraff.com.